Hello, Sir Matthew. Kumusta po? Redmond Toys Raymond here. So, ito sir, testingin lang natin yung unit na order nyo. The EMG Salient Arms International BLUS Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol. Okay? So, ayan sir, license unit from Salient Arms International. Okay? So, fiber optic front sight, blackout rear. Okay? So, metal mag catch. Tapos metal din to. Okay, tapos meron siyang magwell. Okay, Salient Arms Trigger. Alright? So, ito yung magazine. Okay, nilagyan ko na ng bala. Alright? Tapos, meron siya kasamang adapter. So, ano siya? Kung gusto mong magkabit ng yung mga suppressor or tracer, ayan, meron siya adapter. Okay? So, if ever na gusto mo pahabain yung inner barrel, yun, pwede mo kabit to. Okay? So, yun. Alright? So, always remember to keep your trigger finger out. Make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at the safe direction. Okay? So, testing muna natin ang FPS, blowback, tapos accuracy test. Okay? So, accurate to, sir. Kasi ito ginagamit ko sa competition eh. Dito yung marami akong championship. Okay? So, actually, hanggang ngayon, ito pa rin yung huling-huling gamit ko. Alright? So, ito. So, inserting the magazine. Tapos yung magazine na to, pwede yung Glock. Yung 17, mga WE. Kasi sister company si Armorer Works. Kasi yung gumawa na to, Armorer Works Taiwan. So, sister company si Armorer Works saka si WE. So, yun, parang ano siya. Parang si Armorer Works, ang ginagawa niya, puro mga license unit. Si WE, hindi, walang license. Parang ganun. Okay? So, to. Inserting. Kasayin natin. Alright. So, firing. 339, solid yung blowback. Okay. So, maganda kasi yung trigger na to kasi flat. Hindi siya katulad pag yung mga standard na Glock, di ba, pabilog. Ito, flat eh. Mas maganda yung trigger. So, yan. 337.1 336.3 330.9. Parang konti lang natin pumasok na gas. Wait, targa ulit natin. Okay, so 330.9 last shot, no? 4 shots. So meron pa tong 5 na BB. Okay, accuracy test natin. So for the accuracy test, the target box is 2.3 meters away. Tapos the target size is 2 inches. So, ang ibibigay ko sa yung target is the bottom row, third from the left. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, bottom. Okay? So, ito na. Firing. Okay? So, almost center lahat. Halos nasa center siya lahat ng bilog. Almost kasi meron iba medyo mababa na konti. Pero almost center kasi hindi ko pa naman na-adjust yung up nito eh. So, kumbaga out of the box to. Pero based on this, almost center siya lahat. Okay, so send ko na sa yung picture. Tingnan mo na lang. Okay, so yun, nag-open na yung slide, removing the magazine. Wala nang bala. Okay, so pull back the slide, release, hammer down. Okay? So, ayun, Sir Matthew, okay na tong unit mo. So, papako na siya para madala ko na siya sa courier today. Okay? So, ayun, sir, thank you for your order. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po, sir. Bye-bye.